Today we are gonna fix Instagram Reels views not showing problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing Instagram's data. Accumulated cache files can cause issues like this. So we are gonna delete these files. To do this, we need to open settings. After opening settings, we click on apps and then click on manage apps. We click on the search bar and search for Instagram. After searching for it, we click on storage. Here, we need to click clear data and then click on clear all data. We press OK to confirm. We cleared Instagram's data. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is using mobile data. If our Wi-Fi doesn't work, doing this will solve the problem. Turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. After switching to mobile data, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is deleting and reinstalling Instagram. This simple solution can help us to solve our problem. To do this, press and hold on Instagram and then click on uninstall. Click uninstall again to confirm. After uninstalling Instagram, restart your device. After restarting your device, open Play Store. After opening Play Store, click on search and search for Instagram. After searching for it, click on install. We installed Instagram. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.